This LEMASSON 926-959 engine oil cooler uses a solid aluminum housing that holds up far better to heat and pressure than the original plastic design. The unit is designed specifically for the 3.6-liter Pentastar engines, so it integrates cleanly with many Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, and Ram models without awkward modifications. Machining and sealing surfaces are precise, which helps the cooler resist the common cracking and oil or coolant seepage issues that plague cheaper replacements. It arrives as a complete assembly with the oil filter housing integrated, simplifying installation for do-it-yourself owners and speeding up work for professional technicians. Compatibility with a long list of original equipment part numbers makes this a practical choice when you are chasing intermittent pressure warnings or small leaks on higher mileage vehicles. Overall build quality and the brand's focus on pre-shipment leak and durability testing inspire confidence that this cooler will deliver stable oil temperatures and reliable lubrication over the long term.